Welcome back. So today is just going to be part 2 of this backsplash installation. We're just going to be grouting here, and what I believe I was using here was I'm not sure if I used a non-sanded or the sanded version, but anyways, it's Latacrete Permacolor Select here. Using a small bucket. It's really easy to get out of these small buckets. I don't know how these guys come in there using 5-gallon buckets. So having little small buckets like here, because most times you mix with small amounts of grout doing this residential kind of work. So I'm just going to go through the process of grouting it all, do a quick time lapse of it, and then a quick video at the end here of just how everything came out. Thanks everyone again for tuning in. We really appreciate it. Enjoy the video.